Most roofing contractors choose software based on hype, not fit. And here's the truth no one tells you. The best roofing software is not the one with the most features. It is the one your team will actually use every single day. In this video, you'll understand the real difference between AccuLynx and JobNimbus in 2026, and which one is actually better for your roofing business. Let's get straight into it. Both platforms are designed for roofing contractors, but they solve the problem in slightly different ways. AccuLynx is more structured and all-in-one. JobNimbus is more flexible and customizable. Now here's where it gets interesting. The right choice depends on how your roofing business operates, not just the software features. Let's break it down simply. First, AccuLynx. This platform is built for roofing companies that want a complete system from lead to invoice. It includes lead tracking, job scheduling, production management, estimates, and communication in one structured workflow. So if Alex runs a mid-sized roofing company with multiple crews, AccuLynx helps him keep everything organized in a step-by-step system. Nothing gets lost, and every job follows a clear process. But here's the problem. That structure can feel rigid for some users. If your workflow is different or you like customizing your process, you may feel limited. Now let's talk about JobNimbus. JobNimbus is more flexible. It combines ERM and project management in a way that lets you build your own workflow. You can customize boards, pipelines, and processes based on how your team works. So if Jake runs a smaller or fast-moving roofing business, JobNimbus gives him more control over how he organizes jobs and leads. Now, here's where it gets interesting. JobNimbus often appeals to teams that want simplicity and flexibility, while AccuLynx appeals to companies that want structure and a guided system. Let's compare key differences in practical terms. AccuLynx is stronger in built-in roofing-specific workflows. It reduces the need to design your system from scratch. JobNimbus is stronger in customization and ease of adapting to different business styles. But here's the mistake many contractors make. They choose based on features they think they might need later, instead of solving their current problem. If your biggest issue is disorganization and missed steps, AccuLynx may fit better. If your biggest issue is flexibility and adapting workflows, JobNimbus may be the better choice. Now here's a key insight most people miss. Software only works if your team actually follows it. A simple tool used properly always beats a complex tool used poorly. So to wrap it up, AccuLynx is best for structured, growing roofing companies that want an all-in-one system. JobNimbus is best for flexible teams that want customization and simplicity. If you understand this difference, you stop guessing and start choosing software based on how your business actually runs. If this helped you, like the video, comment your business size so I can recommend better tools for your setup, and subscribe for more simple software breakdowns that help you make smarter business decisions.